Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to exploring our new, bigger number blocks, which is 201 to 300 part 1. Well, from now on, the numbers which are bigger than 200, like 201 to 299, I build only 3 characters in one video. Why? Because I don't want to waste too much time, and it is the big numbers. And the 99, and you see the enders from 01 to 99. So 99 can divide it by 3, so it can go to part 33, which is the last part. And that's why I use only 3 characters in each video. Well, anyways, let's go to 201. Number block 201 has 200 peach blocks and 1 red block. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, it doesn't. There. And then 100. We got 10 tens. Square. But I think it's not look like a square because it's broken. Anyways, let's continue. 110, 120, 130. Oh my gosh, that's clumsy. Sorry. 140. 150, 160, there, oh, then 170, and then 180, oh, I think it's the problem because of the blocks. 180. Oh. The numbers which are too big, it's a bit clumsy sometimes. That's why I can't build it very well. Anyways, 190. And the last, 200. We got 200 blocks. And then 200 plus 1 is our number block 201. Let's attach the face stickers and let's see the result. Alright, let's put on the sticker for the number block 201 all together. First, we put his eyes. He has sunglasses because he's made out of 3, lots of 6, 7. Actually, it's 67. Well, 67 loves to play sports. Just my own decoration. Don't worry about it. And he has the crazy shaped eyebrow. You know why? Because he's the number block 201 is made out of 3 lots of 67, or we can call as a popular meme 67. And 67 is the 19th member of the prom club. That's why he has the face just like 19. Alright, let's pop the numbering onto his head. Oh, I think there. And then here's our finished number block 201, which is 3 lots of 6, 7. Let's go to the next character. Let's build 202. Number block 202 has 2 light orange blocks and 2 normal orange blocks. Let's count by 40s because I want to build the tens. It's too clumsy. 40, 80, 2 40s are 80, right? And then 3 lots of 40s are 120. And then add 40 more to make 160. And then last 40, 4 40s are 160 and the 5 40s are 200. And let's build 2 more orange blocks. Here, 2 orange blocks. We put it like this and then and then we put it on the top and there. Number block 202. Let's attach the face stickers all together. And the sticker that stick on my finger is his eyes with the glasses. Why? Because 202 is made out of 2 lots of 101s. Well, and 101 is the 26th member of the Prime Club, but the 101 has the big eye and the small eye just like 11, but they're not a football player except the numbers which can divide it by 11s. Anyways, 202 has the rectangle eyes because the numbers which are bigger than the 60s should have the rectangle eyes to make it more attractive. And he has the face like eyes and the mouth just like 2. And this is because to represent the number block 2. And he has the eyebrow because I want to make it more attractive and also to represent our number block 20. Anyways, here's our number link 202. And he has a sign to represent that 200 plus 2 is 202. Well, the numbers which can be divided by 100 ones should have a sign like this. Alright, here's our number block 202. Let's build the next character, which is the last character, is 203. 203 has 200 light orange blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Actually, the light orange blocks has the orange blocks to make the alternative just like 100. But anyways, let's put the light orange blocks instead. We count by 50s. 50, 150 is 50. And then 2 50s are giant square 100. And then 3 lots of 50s are 150. And the last is 4 lots of 50s are 200. So we got 200 blocks. And then we attach 3 yellow blocks like this, and then I'll put it on the top. Right, there's our number block 203. Let's attach the face stickers. Alright, let's attach the face stickers all together. 203 has cute eyes and the mouth. And this is probably the number block 203 can divide it by 29s. Well, 29, the numbers which can divide it by 29, in my own fan-made number blocks, I put the adorable pets. Oh, so cute. But the number blocks fan-made for the numbers which are the calendars or the numbers which can divide it by 31, which are the demons. This is my own fan-made except from number block 29 and 31. Well, we have a headband for number block 203. Do you know why? Because 203 is made out of 7 lots of 29s. And she has the sharpened teeth because she is an adorable pet. She has the rainbow eyebrows, and this is because she is the 29th member of the Lucky Rainbow 7 Club, and she has a nose. Aww, so cute! Yellow features to represent the number block 3, and this is because number block 3, because 203 has 3 yellow blocks in the whole 203. Well, anyways, number block 203 is finished, and then we attach the numbering, and here's our number block 203, adorable pet. And that is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed my videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications for my new videos. And don't forget to comment which character do you like the most. 201, 202, or 203. Well, anyways, see you again next time. Bye bye.